Right, this is the 10RB fuel pipe modification. On these RBs, the fuel tank runs along. It's a cylindrical tank which runs along the top of the engine. Filler is actually on the top of the roof, so you have to climb up onto there, up on the counterweight, up onto the roof to do the job. And I thought that was a bit of a ridiculous job, really. So what I did, I fitted a number 0 semi-rotary pump plumbed into that fuel tank, which you can see up there. The hose then comes out, the pickup hose. Put your 5-gallon drum or whatever down there. Then you pump, you open that gate valve and pump your semi-rotary up to fill the fuel tank, which is up the top up there. You see it's right up the top. So this makes life a little bit easier for me. I just finished installing it now. The pump will, it just looks just right on the drawings and books on the 10RB excavator. They're marked as water pumps fitted. This one had nothing fitted to the flange, so I couldn't see the point of having a water pump fitted to a machine like this, when you shouldn't use a lot of water really, but you use more fuel than water. So I don't know what the idea of that was, but in the book it's marked water pump, but it's obviously better with a fuel pump. So I plumbed into the top of the fuel tank there, so that should be better. And this always tucks away nice and neatly into the alcove there, like that. So it tucks in nice and neat. So the job's a good one. But I'm waiting for the summer to start. It's trying to rain now again. So, but I'm just wrapping up the tools now. I just went down to Hydrobrake down in Bridgend to get that hose shortened. It was way too long. The ones I had in stock was about 4 times too long. So he put a new end for me there, and it's now on the semi-rotary. And I think that should do the job really. So we have a couple of more jobs to do on it this morning, and then I'm going to head back home. So that's it for now.